Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Ford Focus transponder key. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Okay, we're currently working on a 2016 Ford Focus. We cut the key, the OBD is connected to the machine is connected to the vehicle. We're going to program this key, we'll put it in the ignition, turn it into the on position, we'll select the proper year, go under blade key, control unit, immobilizer. We're going to add key to the vehicle. We're not going to erase any keys.
So you're erasing the
No,
old
we're going to
keys?
add the keys. If we erase the keys
okay.
for Ford, you have to program 2 new keys in.
Alright.
We're just adding a single key in.
Alright.
Now, it should take less than 10 minutes, but all right, so total keys learned 2. Now it's 3 keys synced into the vehicle. We're able to start the car starts. The buttons work. And we're good to go. Ford Focus.
That's it. I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.